Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
आता आमगेले फर्स्ट इश्यू आहलो कॉर्पोरेशन मुगेलो चार्ज घेतले काय ना की पयले डेप्थ फ्री करपाक ते डेप्थ फ्री जाले काय ना आमी सेकंड इश्यू घेतलो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क्साचे जायते आहा वी हॅव इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क्स फर्स्ट टाइम मोर देन 100 crores आमी वर्क्स घेतले तितू सिवेज प्लांट सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट मागीर तुगे ETPs सगळे घेवपाक चिंतला all files are ready and all are going to be tendered. It's the first time major infrastructure works. Industry is आता स्वतः complain करता की ताका येना म्हूण they have got no proper infrastructure. So infrastructure was given a trust सारको म्हणजे इतली infrastructure works केले कोणाकू nobody will be able to complain after this March. Major works will be completed by March. Some will spill over after the rains, but major works will be done. I think आम्ही white topping नेकू पहिले पावटी स्टार्ट घेतला and white topping is done in a very systematic manner. म्हणजे there were previous cases where Konkani was done and it was got spoiled. This is not the case. We have followed the all in the process under Nitin Gadkariji. The way they are doing it all over India. On major highways we are doing it in our association, in our industrial states. Rasti multiple is open. आमगेले तेको guarantee are more than 25 years kind of open. Although on the paper it is there, but आमगे इतली काम बरे केला that we are going to see that at least 25 years kind of open.